Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable safe mode on any Oppo phone. Now to do that, first of all, just power off your smartphone. Now to do that, you can either press the power button and the volume up button at the same time to enable the power menu, or you can press and hold the power button if you have mapped the power button to launch the power menu instead of the digital assistant from Google. Once you open the power menu, just swipe down and select power off. Now, after you completely power off your Oppo phone, the next step is to press and hold the power button until you see the Oppo logo on the screen. Once you see the Oppo logo, the next step is to press and hold the volume down button with the power button at the same time. And once your smartphone turns on, just release the power button and the volume down button. Now just open your smartphone, and as you can see, we have successfully enabled safe mode on our Oppo phone. And this is how you can enable safe mode on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.